Are you looking for a best editing software with easy to use interface, which has a lot of features, which can help you to create outstanding videos, which can help you to get more engagement when uploaded on YouTube or other platform as well? And this editing software really comes with a nominal price with lifetime access as well. So let me share the complete details. So make sure you're going to watch till the end. So when I open this editing software, this is how it looks. The entire interface is really simple and easy to use. Okay. Now this editing software comes with recording a video. Okay. If you want to capture your laptop screen, or if you want to come in front of camera the way I am doing right now, you can also do it where you can capture the entire screen. Okay. Now say for example, if you want to record audio on top of any video that you have already created, you can also do that. So these are the features that actually comes with this. Now I'm just going to show you how easy it is to edit as well. Now say for example, if you want to start editing, all you need to do is either drag and drop the files, or you can just quickly add files by clicking here. Let me just quickly drag and drop. Now say for example, these are the files that I want for editing example. Okay. So I'm going to just select and drag and drop. See, that's how simple it is, where the entire files are loaded. You can see how fast the entire project is loaded as well. And the beauty with this editing software is it does not require too much of system configuration. Even if you're having 4 GB RAM, that's good. Of course, this also supports with 2 GB, but I would recommend that, okay, you have at least 4 GB RAM on your system, where this editing software works really well as well. Okay. Now you can see the files have been loaded. So that's how fast it loads. Now when you go to the next section, it shows the files that are added right now. They also have some inbuilt sounds if you want to use any of them. Now you have some music that you can also use. You have sample videos. Now say for example, okay, you want to have some countdown or something, then certainly you can use them. So just see, this is how the countdown is also going to appear. So you can use a lot of the features that are available here in sample videos. They have some background images as well, which you can use for your video editing. They also have some effect packs. Now say for example, okay, you are a person who is creating videos on, say for example, maybe okay, if you are creating on real estate, they have some effects specifically for real estate. This is something that would be a little bit of add-on price, but they have some amazing things which is suitable for your particular niche. Okay. Again, they have kids vlogs, right? So a lot of them, award ceremonies, if you're creating videos on that, fashion blogs. So certainly they can be used. I'm going to explain more about that in the later part. Now next, coming to the other part. So you have a lot of filters as well. And one beauty with them is whatever you like, you can actually just mark it as favorite, and it is going to appear in your favorite section. This is how it is going to appear. Now say for example, okay, I want to add a particular effect. Okay, so let me just reduce the zoom of this. Okay, now say for example, I want to give this effect to this video, right? And if I just play this, right? So they have quite a lot of them like this, where you can actually implement it. Okay, they have artistic, they have blur, color filters, and a lot of filters are there which you can certainly use. Now they have something like a gifts as well. Say for example, if you want to use this, you can just put it there. And this is great, like where you want to create a celebration kind of videos, certainly it's going to appear like this, right? So you can check all the features that are there, and if you want to mark it as favorite, you can just click on favorites. Now it is going to be easy for you to use. Once you mark as favorite, it is going to appear in your favorite section. Now that's about the filters that are there. Next, they have a lot of transitions. Transitions are something that I really love the way they have right now. Now if you want to remove any effect, just double click on that and click on remove. Okay, double click, remove. Now let me show you by applying effect as well. Say for example, this is the simple transition that is there. You just have to drag and drop in between the videos, and once you click on play, you can see how exactly it moves to the next part, right? So they have great number of transitions which you can select from, right? So example, say for example, lens from center, you can just try this. So whatever you feel is great, you can certainly try and use it. Next is text. So this is something that I really like the different styles they have. Okay, say for example, they have a lot of artistic one as well. So that's how it's going to appear, right? I have marked many of them as my favorites. So if you want to bring it like this, you can do it. Uh, right? So that's how you can do it. And the thing is, say for example, you really like something, you can just add it to favorites and it will be there. Now, other best part is you can actually create it like a template so that you can use the same thing for all of your videos as well. Now, say for example, okay, this I want to use it as a template example. All I am going to do is I'm just going to put it here. So it is appearing here right now. Now, say for example, I don't need it there. Okay. Now in all my videos, say for example, I always need it at the top left corner. I can just do that. It's very simple. They have, it gives a great animated look for your videos. Okay. Now say for example, this is how I want to do it. If you want to customize the color, you can do it. I want to make this as maybe a different color. Okay. Instead of green, I may choose orange. Okay. So I can do it. So every time it's going to appear in that particular location. Okay. So it becomes easy for you to write text where you always don't have to set it over there or align there. Now that's a great feature. And again, I said, all you need to do is just go to new preset and save it. Okay. So now that I just changed the color of it. So this is the preset that I'm using. Okay. So every time it appears there. And when you want to change the text, you just have to change it so that it becomes easy for you to use every time. Okay, that's the beauty of it. Now let me also show you some of the presets that I have created with the help of this software. Say for example, okay, let me just bring this here. Okay, now say for example, in every videos I want to add this. So this is something that I have created as my title, and that's how it's going to appear. Correct. So very neat and clean. So this actually makes your video stand out. Correct. And they have other things as well. Now if I can show you others as well, let me just quickly do one more thing. Let me remove this. Now say for example, okay, I have the products ribbon. Say for example, okay, you are creating a video and you want to include any other specific note in all of your videos. So in that case, you can create it as a template. Now this is something I have created. Say for example, this is how it's going to appear. Product link in description. You don't have to recreate some of these templates every time. You have created once and you can use it. And in the same way, I have also my channel template that is there. Okay. So you can see that's how it's going to appear about my Facebook. Correct. So once you create, and it's very easy for you to use in other videos, and it actually greatly saves your editing time. So that's the beauty of it. Now moving on to the next part. So features, basic, artistic, opening. So they have a lot more other things as well. So you can see the title is the way it appears. Opening and closing, speech bubbles. They have speech bubbles if you want to use it in the video. Okay. Now this is the additional pack that I have purchased, my channel pack. It's a very nominal price that I paid for this. And the beauty with this is if you want to create your channel video intro, okay, you can create them. Like say for example, if you use this, you can create a channel intro, something like this. Okay. So with this pack, they have a lot of features. Either you can create your Instagram link, right? Facebook link, a WhatsApp or Telegram or whatever it could be. So they really stand out. That's the best part about this. Again, they have a lot of intro videos as well. If you want to create your channel intro, see, the thing is, if you are going to create any video intro, and if you want to get it done from somebody else, it might cost you more than 1,000 or something like that. But with the help of this editing software, you can absolutely create it for free. So let me just select this. Now say for example, if you want to create your video intro, okay, so just double click on that. I'm just going to mention say for example my channel as A2C. That's it, right? So once done, just click apply and return, and your video intro is ready, right? So that's how you can create it, where you get it done. You can do it in just a couple of minutes. That's the beauty of it, and you have a lot of options to choose from. So that's about the text, and also they have other stickers as well. If you want to use cool stickers in your videos, you can certainly use this. Favorites, these are my favorites that are there. Okay, so let me show you how exactly they appear when you use them. Now say for example, I want to use this subscribe one. Okay, all you need to do is just drag and drop to the place where you want it, and when you click on that, so you can see how it appears. See, that's something that gives a great appeal for the viewers, and the chance of you getting more subscribers is also higher. So they have a lot of them. Again, bell, you want to point a arrow to a particular thing, you can use that. Okay, so a lot of stickers, comic, summer, enjoy, objects, travel, okay, love, mask. So that's the beauty of it. And if you're going to use a green screen, and if you want to put a different background, even this editing software also helps with that. So just to give a small example how it really works, so let me just quickly show you that by selecting a video with a green screen. Okay, now this is a video which has a green screen. Now just click on chroma key. Okay, and once you just click on apply, see, already green color has been chosen, and it is going to remove that green color, right? Now say for example, I want to use a different background here. So I'm just going to select this as a background, and I'm going to put this. Okay, I'm going to select the entire video. Make sure your video is always at the top. Okay, and the background what you want to give should be at the bottom. Okay, come to chroma key, select, apply. That's how it does the work in seconds, right? You can easily change the background. You can also blur a particular section if you want. Okay, so it has great features that are needed for creating outstanding videos, and certainly I just love this editing software. Again, I have given the link of the product in the description. You can purchase from there, and when you buy from that link, okay, let me just quickly show you how to buy that as well. So it's srirambenur.in/Movavi. When you buy from this link, you're going to get lifetime access for this editing software. Okay, at just 2,599. Depending upon when you're buying, the price may slightly increase or something like that. Okay, it's 2,599 with lifetime access. It's Movavi Video Suite, which comes with video editing. Okay, which also comes with screen recording as well. Now it does not mention here as a lifetime, but let me tell you, this is a lifetime version. Why? Because if it is annual, then you would see something like this. At a price of 1 year, you're actually getting a lifetime access. So 1 year subscription would say something like this, 1 year subscription. But the link, whatever I have given you, okay, is with lifetime access for 2,599. Sometimes you may get additional 5 to 10% discount as well. Okay, now for you to purchase, just enter your card details, and just continue. You have multiple options to pay. You have PayPal, American Express. You can also select other methods. Okay, maybe RuPay or something like that. If for some reason Visa or MasterCard does not work, you can also try RuPay. So it should certainly go through. And once you purchase, you'll be getting the details to your email on how to download this software, and you also get the license key into your email. All you need to do is, after downloading, you just have to enter the license key, and you have editing software with lifetime access to create amazing videos which are going to stand out, which can help you to get more engagement on your videos. And one quick thing to say about Movavi, it has got reviews from over 10,000 plus people, rated 4.6 on Trustpilot, which is really good for any editing software. That means certainly you can trust this editing software, and it helps you to create great quality videos as well. And if you have any questions related to Movavi editing software, anything, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And do click on the info link, okay, where you can watch other related videos related to Movavi as well. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you did not like the video, give thumbs down. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any videos from this channel. See you in the next video.